Hello and welcome to another short tutorial video from Tech Angels. In this video I will be demonstrating how we can make files go into a zip folder. You may have heard the term zip used many times in computers. This is a handy little function that allows us to compress multiple amounts of files into one folder. However, it's not just like a normal folder. Once it is compressed, the folder becomes a file itself and can be individually attached to emails or sent via text messages or any other service that allows you to communicate. Something really good about the way that zip files work is that they also compress the size of the folder too. If, for example, you have a really large folder full of multiple items, once it is compressed, it will try to sort of reduce the file size to a more smaller amount. That's not to say it will completely reduce it, but it is to say that it does help and is commonly used specifically for that function. To create a zip folder is very simple. We can do it in numerous amounts of ways. If we already have a folder that we would like to zip, simply right click, go to new, and then you can see it says WinRAR zip archive or WinRAR archive. If it does not say this on your computer, then there's another way to do this also. You can simply right click, go to new, have your folder created. Once you have your folder created or use an existing one, simply press add to archive, add to RAR, compress an email or compress the document and then email. The main one that will be used mostly is add to archive. So once we click this, it will give us an option to make it into a zip file. On the left hand side here, please tick the box that says zip instead of RAR. Once this is done, press OK. Now your file has been zipped. Inside this folder will contain your other folder. This is a brilliant way to compress files and folders in multiple locations and condense them into one consolidated file. This makes file management very easily and allows you to send between very easily. Thank you so much for watching this week's tutorial, and we hope that this was helpful to you. We hope that you get a lot of practice with this and it finds a lot of use in your everyday life. Thank you so much for watching for now, and this is Tech Angels. Goodbye.